Hi guys! Today we're going to play with the magic microwave and these eggs here. And I have a surprise for you. Check it out! We're going to use my favourite cutlery. It's a poppy fork and a poppy spoon. Yay! You know, the character from Trolls. They're so cool, aren't they? And I also have a plate. Do you know who these are? This is Poppy. Isn't she cute? And this is Guy Diamond. Oh, we can see his bum. Let's put all these coloured sweets here. Wow! Check out how many there are. And they come in so many colours. Red, orange, blue, yellow. Well, this is what we're going to use to do magic. Yeah, that's right. We get one of these eggs and we put inside sweets of the same colour. And we put inside sweets in the same colour. This one, for example, is a yellow egg. So we're going to put yellow sweets inside. Yippee! Now we put the egg inside the microwave and we're going to do magic. We press this button here and when it's done microwaving, we're going to get a character in that colour. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm so nervous, guys. Do you think it's worked? Oh, there seems to be something inside. Yay! Check it out, we got a troll. It's so cool, isn't it? Oh my god, that hair. Yippee! Well, as you guys have seen, these are troll surprises. Now let's try out this pink egg. Well, since we don't have pink sweets, we have to mix the colours red and blue. Because these two colours result in the colour purple, which is almost like pink. Perfect, here we go. Yippee! Let's see, now we have to put it inside the microwave. Let's see, and now let's press this button. Ooh, let's see. What do you guys say we open it? Wow, it's Poppy! Check it out, guys. She's my favourite Trolls character. She's so cute. And her hair is so cool. Yay! Hey guys, what's your favourite character? You can let me know in the comments. Let's keep going. And now the green egg is up. You have to put the sweets inside the egg. So let's get the green sweets. And this one too. In you go. Yippee! Oops, not that one. Here you go. That's perfect, guys. I think this will do. We open the door and we put it inside. And now we have to wait. Oh my god, guys. Do you think we'll get another Trolls character? Let's find out. Dun dun dun. Oh my god, I don't know if I should open it. Should I? Oh my god, check out all that hair. Oh my god, it's Fuzzbert. Check it out. He has the coolest hair. Yay! It comes in two colours, green and pink. Ooh, there are fewer and fewer sweets. And now, let's pick this one. Do you know what colour this is? It's the colour orange. So we're going to put orange sweets inside. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one's so big. Let's get some more. This one here. Perfect. Alright. You press the button and we're going to microwave a Trolls character. Which one do you think we're going to get now? I hope it's Guy Diamond. Oh, seems like it's ready. Dun dun dun. Let's see. In the colour orange? Who could it be? Let's find out. Oops, we dropped it. It's so cool. It's DJ Suki. I love her. Check out her curly hair. Oh my god, yippee! She's so cool. And she loves to party.
Yippee!
Now there are fewer and fewer eggs, guys. Let's pick this blue one now. And now we're going to put all the blue sweets inside. 1, let's see, 2, 3. Ooh, now there are fewer and fewer sweets. Let's see. I think that's about enough. Perfect. Alright, just like before, we put it inside the microwave. Let's do some magic.
Yippee!
Woo! Check it out, it moves. It's ready. Let's see.
Yippee!
Let's not wait any longer. Let's open it. I want to know who's inside. Oh my god, yes! Check it out, guys. It's Ranch. Oh, I love him. He has such beautiful blue hair.
Yay!
Isn't that cool, guys? This character is so cool. Honestly, I love all of them. Do you guys? What's your favourite troll character? Oh, but wait, there are still 2 eggs left. One is pink and the other one's blue. But let's do something different now. You'll see. Let's put blue sweets inside. Like this. Perfect. And now in this one, let's put pink sweets inside. But since we don't have pink sweets, we're going to put red and blue sweets inside. And now we're going to mix them together. We're going to get a character with both colours.
Yippee!
And now we're going to put both eggs inside. Let's find out what happens. We're going to do an experiment. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what we get. It's ready, guys. Let's see. Our surprise is... Oh my god, shall we open it? Wow! We got a troll and another one. Oh, I know who they are. They're our favourite twins.
Yippee!
Oh my god, they're so cute. One is blue and the other one's pink. And they have such long hair. How cool are they, guys? Well, these are all the surprises that we got from our magic microwave. You can let us know in the comments which one's your favourite.
Yay!
Bye! See you soon! Hi guys, look, it's a new video with our friend Soggy Doggy. Today we will be discovering loads of surprises in his bathtub. Wow, did you see? It's full of colourful sweets. There are a lot of them. Count with me. Yellow, orange, green, blue. We'll have so much fun, Soggy Doggy. Let's start searching here. We have to take the sweets out of the bathtub.
Yippee!
We've found something, Doggy. Look. Do you know what it is? Do you guys know? It's a Smurf. Look how cool he is. He has a gift box. Who could it be for? I'm sure it's for a Smurfette.
Yay!
Let's leave him over here and keep looking for surprises. Hey, Soggy Doggy, can you find anything over there? I think he smelled something. Oh, it's just sweets. We have to have a good look. What do you guys think we'll find next?
Yippee!
Have you seen this? It's another surprise. Look how cool he is. He's of the color blue. Oh, he's so naughty. It's Stuffy, the dragon who's friends with Dog McStuffins. And he seems to love playing with our doggy. They're both having a great time, guys. Yippee!
Yippee!
Let's bring out a friend to help Soggy Doggy look for surprises. Look, it's our new dog! Wow, he was really hungry. He's eating our sweets. If you remember, we've recently adopted this puppy. He didn't have a name and you guys have chosen it. It's Nina.
Yippee!
Come on, you'll help us get all the sweets out of Soggy Doggy's bathtub. I'm sure there are a bunch of presents for us. Let's keep looking, guys. There doesn't seem to be any left over here. You have to look if there's anything. Oh, it doesn't look like it. We have to look around back. I'm sure there are a lot of things on that side. So, can you see anything, Nina? Oh, you found something, haven't you? Perfect, guys. Let's take all of the sweets out of the bathtub. Hey, look, there's something here.
Yippee!
It's a car. It's so cool. Wow, what an unbelievable jump. It's so fun. I'm having a great time. What about you guys? Our dogs are too. Look, we'll pour sweets over them. Nina likes it. Alright, Soggy Doggy, we'll pour sweets over you too. It's so fun, isn't it? Yoo-hoo! Oh, there are a few things left in our bathtub by now. And there's a little something here. Guys, look! It's Elsa from Frozen. This key ring is awesome. It's super cool. And look, it's blue, like her dress.
Yippee!
I have an idea. We could use it as a dog tag for Soggy Doggy. It looks so funny, wouldn't it?
Yay!
Alright, surprises are almost over. Let's keep looking and see what we find. More sweets. Wow. Orange, blue, red. Wait a second. I found something. Look, it's Sky from Paw Patrol.
Yippee!
Wow, this dog is so cool. Look, it's a rubber in the shape of her face. Look, it's a dog just like Nina and Soggy Doggy. It looks like there are very few surprises and sweets left. Here's another dog from Paw Patrol. It's green. Do you guys know who it is? That's right, it's Rocky. Now we have 2 members of Paw Patrol. Are you happy with all the things we have discovered? Seems like it. How about you guys? Do you like all of the things we've found? It was actually a lot of fun playing with these 2 dogs and with all these sweets, even if there are no more surprises left. Oh, I hope you had a great time, guys, just like us. See you guys in our next video.